You swipe your card and never check balance? A bank notification pops up and you ignore it. Months later, your money seems to disappear mysteriously. Ignoring your bank account slowly damages your future wealth. Small money mistakes grow quietly when nobody watches. Most young adults check balances less than once weekly. Today, you learn a simple habit protecting future money. It takes only 2 minutes each day. Start this now and your 2026 self thanks you. No spreadsheets, no complicated math, just simple awareness. Most people lose money through simple daily blindness. Quick question, when did you last check balance? Small purchases feel harmless but stack very quickly. $5 here slowly becomes hundreds monthly. Then your bank balance suddenly feels confusing. Your brain forgets spending immediately after the purchase. This is called financial blindness inside your brain. You spend comfortably because consequences feel invisible. Later, those invisible purchases become real stress. Checking daily breaks the blindness instantly. Numbers stop being scary when you see them often. Your brain loves control and calm replaces anxiety. But here is where most people quit. They promise checking tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Build a daily trigger like brushing your teeth. After brushing, open banking app immediately every morning. Do not judge yourself, simply look at numbers. Notice one purchase that surprised you today. Awareness alone reduces spending dramatically for most people. Your brain relaxes when money feels visible. Savings grow easier when spending becomes conscious. Future you benefits from tiny awareness today. This entire habit takes under 2 minutes daily. But wait, there is one more powerful step. Look for repeating purchases draining money quietly. Patterns reveal habits your brain hides from you. Cutting one habit frees surprising monthly money. Send that money straight into simple savings. Watching savings grow motivates your brain strongly. Momentum makes the habit automatic over time. Each day checked becomes a tiny financial victory. Those victories quietly build future wealth foundations. Your bank app stops feeling scary or stressful. Your brain now associates checking with safety. Let me show you how this works. Alex ignored his bank account for months. He felt broke but never knew why. In January, he started checking every single morning. 2 minutes daily revealed his spending patterns quickly. Turns out daily coffees cost nearly $200 monthly. Alex cut 3 coffees weekly without feeling miserable. He moved that saved money into savings automatically. 6 months later, he saved over $1,000. More importantly, he finally felt control over money. His financial stress dropped dramatically within months. Ignoring your bank account creates financial blindness. Daily checking removes the blindness immediately. Patterns reveal habits secretly draining your money. Redirect small savings toward future wealth goals. Tiny daily awareness beats complicated budgeting systems. 2 minutes daily protects your financial future. Start tonight and watch your awareness grow. Subscribe for psychology-based money lessons every week. Comment how often you check your balance. Next video explains why your brain hates budgeting.